Puji Tuhan sekali bahwa 1 poin yang kita dapat di Bandung ini. Dan satu yang saya mau sampaikan lagi, semoga wasit di Indonesia lebih baik lagi. Terima kasih.
Selamat malam. First, I think was a good game with a fantastic environment from the supporters of Perceive. I think we make good game, and what I got to say is nothing against Perceive. Perceive is a good team. He's on the 2nd position, but today, Nam 6 kartu kuning. Who's gonna see this match? Gonna think my team was on Palestine, was in a war. What's happened, man? What is this? What is this? Big difference. Big difference. I give you example. Mark Clock, number 23, front of the 4 referee, go to change the shoes and come inside without permission. This is kartu kuning. Same falls of Perceive. No kartu kuning. We make kartu kuning. Is what? It's because we are playing on Perceive House. It's because we're going to play on Bayankara next match and they need help for players from PC and Makassar not play. Is this? If this, explain to me. We have 21 matches on this season for Liga 1 and it's unbelievable how many penalties the Wasit team not scored to us. It's unbelievable. At least 15 on 21 matches, at least 15. If you want to go to analyze. So I make a question. If you want. Today we saw good game, 2 teams that want to win. Perceive and us. On the first half, we create 1 ball to the post, 1 ball to the bar. Also Perceive have at least 1 chance. But here it's the difference. Here is the difference. Why not make penalty? Why? He's here on Perceive, he's on Borneo, he's on Sleman, he's at home. Why? This makes all the difference. What is the problem with PC Makassar? What is the problem this season? We just come to try to enjoy the game. Our target is focused step by step. And you not respect, we respect referee, we respect opponent team. I don't have nothing against opponent team, Perceive. Just against referee, because referee not respect us. If player, bad job, tira bagos, player out. If coach, bad job, tira bagos, coach out. If referee make like this, after 2 or 3 matches, gonna be again, this is tira bagos. If you want to improve football, show this to the referee, make organization. Come on, let's go to improve this. After you go to play AFC Cup, and after all the time, teams from Indonesia don't have good performance. And why? Because it's allowed these kind of things. Come on, let's go to develop football on Indonesia. Continued with the game. I think draw on the away on the home of 2nd position team on the table, it's not bad, but after analyze the game, we have the best opportunities. And if the referee was a good referee, at least we just showed 2, but I saw 3. Mansarai, Uran, and Adilson. And these make the difference after. Come on, take a penalty just in 1 match. I give you example. Against Persija, we have do a penalty to on our side, and nothing happened. This is the football here on Indonesia. Unfortunately, the people make mistakes and continue to make mistakes. But I'm not stupid. I see that I always make the same mistakes to the same side. So please respect us. I respect everybody. I respect opponent team. Make good job. Fantastic environment here on Perceive. Good players, good team. This is nothing against Perceive. This is just against the referee. The referee make too much mistakes against us today. Nam yellow card. Who gonna see this? I think that my team was on the war. Come on, tidak bagus.
Ya baik, untuk saya puji Tuhan sekali buat pertandingan malam ini. Dan saya memang bangga sekali dengan teman-teman hasil kerja keras malam ini. Ya sebenarnya kita berusaha untuk mendapatkan 3 poin, tapi ya mau tidak mau ini sudah kehendak juga buat kita untuk ambil 1 poin di Bandung. Dan di sini saya juga sedikit komentar soal wasit. Sebenarnya yang tadi untuk kartu kuning ke Yasa, saya sebenarnya buat 2 pelanggaran. Cumanya wasit salah kasih kartu, Yasa baru buat 1 pelanggaran, wasit langsung kasih ke dia, wasit bilang kau sudah buat 2 pelanggaran. Sebenarnya yang buat 2 pelanggaran saya sendiri. Cumanya wasit sudah terlanjur angkat kartu. Datang kita protes baru wasit lihat, wasit bilang sudah terlanjur angkat kartu. Kita bilang ya setidaknya wasit harus lihat dulu, nomor punggung kita ada kelihatan. Kecuali nomor punggung dia sama dengan saya 23, baru wasit kasih kartu. Kita baru buat pelanggaran sedikit, wasit langsung kasih keluar kartu. Mereka 1-2 cuma wasit kasih peringatan. Saya puji Tuhan sekali buat 1 poin yang kita dapat di Bandung ini. Dan satu yang saya mau sampaikan lagi, semoga wasit di Indonesia lebih baik lagi. Terima kasih.
Good question. I think to improve, it's to show the mistakes. Because if you not show here, it's not, because many people don't see this. And if you're going to see on TV, they're not going to pass this. You understand me? So for me, when I show this, it's nothing against Perceive or other teams. It's just to improve the Wasit team. Because the Wasit team cannot make this. Nam kartu kuning, close the eyes and not make the job that they need to make. It's not good because they not respect the work of the player and the work of the staff of the club that work hard on the week, because after make this, sorry to say, bullshit work, and after we have Nam kartu kuning, and he go to see what are the players cannot play against Bayangkara. This for me is very bad. I have experience on football. I'm not stupid. If you want to put me stupid, okay, but I speak to the people here in front of everybody. Please respect PSM Makassar, respect the players, respect the staff, respect the supporters. It's too much mistakes. 21 matches, at least 15 penalties. 15 penalties. And many games that some players of opponent team need to get meta card and not. I give example. Our game at home against Madura, unbelievable. The 2 central backs from right side and from left side need to have meta card. It's just one example. I am the coach. I show this. I think the club not need to make nothing, because on the past we already show many things. Nothing happened. And if you're gonna see, I give a big example. The Wasit that make our game against Perceive first round, make many mistakes against us. We won, but make many mistakes against us. And pass some games, gonna be the same Wasit on Sleman. On Sleman, unbelievable. We are winning 1-0, and the goal from Vizcarra, that was the goal of the week. And the Liga show the goal of the week, but also show always the fall that number 6 from Sleman make in our player, Ananda. And these show how is serious, because everybody saw front and the referee is looking and not make the fall. And anything happened to this referee? No, he continued. And it's consecutive. This is why I show this, because on the beginning I not show nothing. But come on, if you have a kid and you see other people kick your kid 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, no show respect, what you gonna say? You must speak, you must show. This is why, because if the people respect us, I respect them. And I respect Wasit. I not go to speak with them. Finish match, I show my respect. Is not go to shake the hand and no speak, because come on, against this Nam 6 kartu kuning. Come on, it's like the Wasit go, oh, this guy must take kartu kuning to not play against Bayangkara. Sometimes it's like this. Cannot happen. Respect our job. Respect, we work hard. We are travel team. We play on 30, we travel to here, now we travel and go to play on 4 again. Please respect our job.